Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Answers. In today's video, I am going to be replacing the screen on this first gen HP EliteBook 840 that, as you can see, is very much busted. Now, not all laptops are made the same. You can't replace the screen on every single one of them easily. They can all be replaced, it's just a matter of how hard, really. So if you are going to attempt this, look up how it needs to be done first before you go and spend the money on the screen. Now, the mistake I made is I had actually already purchased the screen prior to watching a how-to video, and I found out the how-to video that I could have put a higher resolution screen in here for literally only $7 more, so definitely pay attention to see what your options are, because I'm going from a, so like 1300 or whatever by 760 something, I'll put it right here, I can't remember exactly what it is, to a 1080 panel. I will definitely be doing that, so this screen is only going to be a temporary fix for now. The video that I used was from screensurgeons.com. Apparently they have, that's all they do, it's just laptop screens, and then they have videos that show you how to do it. So I would highly recommend them. I thought they did a really good job of showing how everything needs to come apart, the tools needed, and also they sell them too. So you can go to their website, buy the replacement screen, and also see a how-to video on how to do it. So, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is turn it off, but I'm also going to remove the battery just to make sure it cannot accidentally turn on. Just because I'm going to be in it, I don't want to accidentally short anything and completely fry this laptop. I would actually like to be able to use it. So, I believe the first part of the direction says this bezel, which I know most modern laptops don't have a bezel like this. Most of them are trying to get rid of bezels, but this is where I need to start. And I have not attempted this yet, so I will see how it goes. The bezel also acts as a cover around the hinge while the goes behind the display. And I'm trying not to do this in a way that will destroy the bezel. There we go. Alright, now, the video that I watched said all I should have to do is undo these 4 screws, display comes off, and there should be a little cable connected to the back side. And again, it told me exactly what screw size is needed. Now it said just lay it down. Ah, there we go. See, right there we have our connector. Let's give ourselves a little bit more room by releasing this cable a little. Now, this connector is taped in, so I need to peel this piece of tape and not destroy it, so it may be reused on the new screen. Okay. There we go. And that is our old broken screen. Let's get the new one. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing. Just lay it down right here. Now, plugging it back in is going to be a little different. Let's see. You'll have to excuse me if I stick my tongue out. I do a little better. I hope I got that in. I believe it's in. Line. Ooh. This is the kind of stuff you gotta watch. A little wire fell right back in the way of that screw. And that would have been bad. Okay, like putting a side panel on a computer before you try to turn it on for the first time, I'm going to leave the bezel off for right now. I carefully close it and put the battery back in. Lock. And let's see. There you have it. All right. I now have a fully functioning laptop. And now I have a fully functioning laptop that all I need to do is install Windows 10 on it, because all it had was a mechanical drive, so I put an SSD in it. So I just need to reinstall the OS, and we are going to be good to go. Well, there we have it. Got Windows 10 installing, so hopefully I'll be using this thing in about an hour or so. Now, I'd just like to clarify, I did not buy my screen from Screen Surgeons. I actually found it, what model I needed, and got it a little cheaper on Amazon. So, but, however, I thought that they were a great resource. So, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be seeing you soon. Have a good day. I was getting ready to pull the video off the SD card and start editing this video, but I forgot one very, very, very important thing. Proper disposal of your screen. Now, this one specifically says it is RoHS compliant, and most modern electronics will be, but just make sure that you understand what is in your screen before you just throw it away. I would highly recommend recycling it, because there's lots of materials in these things that we can reuse. Some older electronics might not necessarily be RoHS compliant. What RoHS means is that it lacks certain hazardous chemicals that they used to use to make electronics that they no longer use anymore, like mercury or lead in certain things. These were really bad about having, I want to say mercury, not 100% sure. They don't really use it much anymore, but look it up and make sure you recycle your old screens properly. Now the video is over. Thank you. Have a good day.